So you'll have some engineers even like go through this exercise, and
Yeah. Some of my best sponsors have been engineers, actually.
I can imagine. I've done a lot of these podcasts, and I've always the engineers stand out.
Yeah. I think people think it's either execs or product folks, but yeah, it can be anyone who has clarity of thought and conviction and can pound the table.
Yes, that's true. There's two parts to it. I think the engineering for the actual execution. I guess we'll talk a little bit more about that.
Yeah.
Tends to work out pretty well. So we get the deal thesis, and then from there you build a market map, and that allows you to find these opportunities. I'd love to hear a little bit about how do you evaluate them. Especially if you look at like what when you look at it, because they feel like that's the one challenge. You start looking at the companies can blur together, especially in the competitive space. What are some of the indicators that what's going to be the best fit? Obviously, it's like purely the product and tech, but then we always talk about like team and culture. Like what are your sort of indicators that this company is going to be a better fit than the other ones in your pipeline?
Yeah, it kind of depends on what is the culture of the company where you are.